Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to share a message of resilience and a reminder that your hard work and sacrifice are shaping a brighter future. Being a student is already hard, but when you have to work and take care of your families at the same time, it becomes even more challenging. Many of us wake up early for class, then rush to work to earn a living. And when we get home, we still have family responsibilities to take care of. It's a lot to handle, and sometimes it feels overwhelming. There are days when we feel exhausted, when we struggle to finish assignment because we are tired from work. There are moments when we feel like giving up because the pressure is too much. But despite all of this, we keep going because we have dreams to achieve and people who rely on us. The struggle we face today are not sign of failures. They are sign of strength. Every sacrifice we make is helping a build better future. Every late night, every challenge, and every hardship is making us stronger and more determined. So, to all student balancing work, studies, and family, keep going on. It's not easy, but one day, you will look back and realize that every struggle was worth it. Stay strong, believe in yourself, believe in God, and never give up on your dreams. Thank you.